What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to Featherhead Crypto. I'm Featherhead. Today we'll be going over some tips and tricks on how to become a Telegram administrator. Maybe it's a company that you're interested in, or you just want to join in on a successful project. And the reason I'm awkwardly sitting on this couch here is because we have a guest today, and I'm sure he'll be making an appearance when he feels like it. He's a 35-pound serval, South African serval, and he is not completely housebroken, so it is very possible that you may see an animal attack on this video. So wish me luck. So step one on becoming a Telegram administrator, or maybe even a Telegram community manager or a social media manager for companies, is you want to search through the list. There's thousands and thousands of startup companies out there within the blockchain cryptocurrency space, and most of them are using Telegram as most of them are using Telegram as their place to communicate with their users and their customers and investors. So what I like to do is you can scan through all these companies. Don't just pick one because you want to be hired. Don't go through and just say, hey, hire me, hire me, hire me. That's never going to get them engaged with you. You want to find a company or a product that you're actually interested in, that you can actually get behind and support and believe in. And then you go into their Telegram if they have one, and you become a valuable member of their community. You help people when they have questions. You educate yourself on their product, and you basically just generally get excited about what they're doing there. And the company themselves, the people within that company are going to recognize that you're ambitious and that you're willing to do what it takes to learn and help the company grow. So step number two, once you become an engaging member within their community and a valued member within their community, you want to start engaging in private conversation with their administrators that they already have, or maybe if they don't have an administrator active, then you engage with their team members. Not on like a level of hire me, but just ask them what they're doing. Be inquisitive about the project, act like you're interested, or don't act like it, but actually be interested. You know what I mean? Engage with them and ask them things like what you can do to help contribute to their company because you're interested in them and you want to learn more. So what I like to use is LinkedIn. If you can't get a hold of them through Telegram, then maybe you can find them on LinkedIn. What you want to do is get their company name, you search their LinkedIn, and then under that company name, it'll have the team members listed on their profile, and you can reach out to them through there. So build a relationship with the team members and get to know each other on a first name basis, and then you can go from there. So step three on this, basically once you've established yourself as a member within the community, you've communicated with the administrators or the team and gotten to know them better. Basically what you want to do is pop the question in the cleanest way possible. Don't go too ambitious and, for lack of a better word, kiss their ass. Just tell them that you think that you bring value to the company and that you're interested in potentially becoming an administrator for them, or a community manager, or a social media manager, whatever it is specifically that you're interested in. But sometimes even this won't work. They like to see something physical. They know that you're engaging in the community and that you're providing value to them, but they sometimes need something physical. So for one example, on a way to show them that you're willing to go the extra mile to help them out, a lot of American cryptocurrency companies, they have SEC guidelines, and generally speaking, most company members can't speak about the stock or cryptocurrency value. So if you wanted to help them, what you could do is learn how to create a Telegram channel of your own, which I'll provide a link below to a video. I'm sure there's plenty out there, or I'll make one later on. But if you can make a group for their actual investors to speak specifically about stock value or cryptocurrency value outside of the main chat on Telegram, then you can establish yourself as an administrator already, an unpaid administrator within the cryptocurrency value chat, and show them that you're willing to go that extra mile and you're gonna do one of two things. You're gonna alleviate them any concern for legal action. You know, the SEC can't say that the stock or the cryptocurrency price is being discussed within their main chat because you've taken it out for them. And you're going to be able to engage more investors and get them more active within the community. So there's a lot of positive in that. He likes his new toy hedgehog here. He's already ripped all of his legs off. Come here, Jag. Come on, buddy. You want this? Come here. Let him see you. Hey, bud. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you are so sweet. Go get it. Daggone jackal. I'll be right back. So to recap, basically what you want to do, you want to find a company. If, in my experience, it's easier to get one that's starting up. Find one that you're interested in and that you believe in. You have to believe in what they're doing or you're not going to succeed. Simple as that. Number two, establish yourself within the community as a positive, helpful member. 2.5, don't get eaten by a wild jungle cat. Yeah. He wants me to play with him. Establish yourself within the community, engage with members, become a daggone dude. Become a valuable member within the community. Now he's throwing his toys at me. Okay, so step number three, reach out to the administrators that are already existing or the company members, team members within the company. Let them know, once you've engaged with them, that you're interested in becoming an administrator, preferably paid. So if that does not work, create an alternative channel, a price talk discussion channel, if they don't already have one. Now, once you've done this, if you've already gotten a substantial amount of people within that group to discuss price and value, instead of discussing that where they shouldn't be in the main chat, and if they still don't hire you on, then it is already a success because you are becoming a public figure in a sense within Telegram. Because those people most likely aren't only invested in one company, they're going to be within other communities as well. So this is going to open up other avenues and other possibilities for you down the road. Because once you migrate to other channels, some of those people are potentially going to be in there and they're going to be able to recognize you and vouch for you. So good luck with this, and don't get eaten by a serval anytime soon. See if I can get some more shots of him here for you. Dude eats raw chicken, guys. If you're interested in knowing what's going on. He's a pretty expensive cat, too. He's a pain in the ass. So what really, if you're interested more about the serval and not so much about the Telegram, I'll run through it quickly. He's straight from South Africa. I've known him since he was about this big, and they told us that in the litter, there's almost always one in the group that doesn't turn fully domestic. He does bite pretty damn hard too, but they don't always. They're not always fully domesticated, and there's usually one in each litter that doesn't fully convert to like a normal house cat. And guess what? He's that one. He knows, he understands that he shouldn't hurt me, but sometimes his instincts take over, and you can tell, you can see it in his eyes. He gets confused. I play with his toy. Ow. He's got razor sharp claws, by the way, and once they're in, you cannot get them out. But He knows he shouldn't hurt me, but sometimes his instincts take over and he can't help himself. Mostly, he just tests me with his teeth. He'll nibble on my arm just to see if he can intimidate me or not. And other times he'll go after his little toys and he'll end up accidentally digging into my arm or my wrist. He's a pretty neat guy. I'm sure you all would agree. And he hasn't attacked me yet in this video. Hopefully, I can have more videos with this guy in the future. I hope you all enjoyed it. Come back and visit us. Subscribe. Also, just to remind you all, I'm not a financial advisor in any way, shape, or form. None of my articles on my website at Featherhead Crypto are written by anybody that's a financial advisor. I appreciate you guys. Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to hear about next. And I'll see you all next time.